Hey guys, so I'm here and I just got my new solar pool ionizer. So I'm excited to see how this works because I've had one in the past. It's a little bit old, but I wanted a new one here. So this is kind of what it looks like. This is how it comes. So it comes with the instructions here, and then here is the top. So this is what the top looks like. It looks pretty cool actually. So once I open that up, then inside of here, I have all the coils and stuff like that. So let me put it together here for you. So let me bring you guys down a little bit so you can see. There you go. So what you do here is you put the copper rod. So here is the copper rod. So install the copper rod, put the spring here. This goes on top of here, and then this screws into here. Perfect. So there we go. So what happens here is this solar powered copper ion release is when it gets solar power, the copper electrode releases mineral ions that will inhibit bacteria and algae growth. So I just wanted to kind of show you guys what it looks like. I've had these in the past. I actually have another one going around because these are usually pretty helpful. So I just wanted to do this one. I'll throw it in there. And then also I'll show you guys is that it came with this, which is test strips for your water. And then also this to clean the copper every once in a while from it. But yeah, this is cool and I like it, and usually these things stop or inhibit the growth of the algae, so we'll see how it does, but I'd give it a thumbs up.